Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make money with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai and we're all logged in, and what we're looking for can be found here on the right hand side. You'll see this icon that says help. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then from here we're just going to, it'll default to the home page, but then from there, what we want to do actually is we want to select here where it says help in the bottom menu. So we're going to go ahead and select help. And then from here, we can scroll down and you're going to see this article that says partnership opportunities. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we do have an article that we can look at, but what we want is we want the Sintra AI affiliate program. Go ahead and click on that there. And here you will now see that we have a helpful article here on how to join the Sintra affiliate program and get paid. You can become a Sintra AI affiliate by creating a free affiliate account at Sintra AI Affiliates. Share your unique affiliate link with your friends, followers, and fans for up to 50% in commission on sales for your referrals for up to 12 months. The sky's the limit. The more you share, the more you earn. Whether you're rocking a blog, YouTube channel, or an Instagram account, we've got you covered. Let's grow together. So if you're interested in doing that, then head over to Sintra AI Affiliates. Let's click on that here. So you could see here, we're at sintra.ai/affiliate. And you can join the program here. If you go to our link tree, if you find in the description, then you'll see that we do have a link to our affiliate link through Sintra. If you click on that, you can get started with Sintra, and you can also use discount code SKILLCRAFT60 in order to get 60% off your subscription. Also, check out the other fantastic promotions that we have on our page as well, and information on our upcoming webinars. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.